Many restaurants serve it routinely, and some people start their day with lemon water instead of coffee or tea. There is no doubt lemons are delicious, but does adding them to water make you healthier? Much of the evidence supporting lemon water is health benefits is anecdotal. Little scientific research has been done specifically on lemon water, but research exists on the benefits of lemon and water separately. Here are 7 ways your body may benefit from lemon water. 1. Promotes hydration. Research shows lemon water has many potential health benefits. Aside from those, adding lemon to your water may help you drink more throughout the day and keep you hydrated. Staying hydrated is critical to good health, so lemon water is pretty much a win-win. 2. Good source of vitamin C. Citrus fruits like lemons are high in vitamin C, a primary antioxidant that helps protect cells from damaging free radicals. Vitamin C may reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke and lower blood pressure. 3. It supports weight loss. A common known drink that is often suggested losing weight and is believed to show tremendous results for those suffering from weight issues. Lemon water is low in calories and can promote fullness in the same way as regular water. It can be an effective way to help reduce calorie intake. 4. It improves your skin quality. Vitamin C found in lemons may help reduce skin wrinkling, dry skin from aging, and damage from sun. Starting your day off with a glass of lemon water has innumerable benefits, including increasing the amount of collagen in your skin. 5. Lemon water aids digestion. Some people drink lemon water as a daily morning laxative to help prevent constipation. Drinking warm or hot lemon water when you wake up may help get your digestive system moving. 6. It freshens breath. Drinking lemon water after eating something with a strong smell such as garlic or onion can help make your breath fresher. Lemon increases the production of saliva, which can prevent dry mouth, one of the causes of for growth of bad bacteria that make your breath smells bad. 7. It helps prevent kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons may help prevent kidney stones. Citrate, a component of citric acid, paradoxically makes urine less acidic and may even break up small stones. Note: lemon contains citric acid, which may erode tooth enamel. To limit the risk, drink lemon water through a straw and rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards. When it comes to heartburn, lemon water can go either way. The citric acid may cause heartburn in some people. Others experience relief from heartburn as lemon juice becomes alkaline, reducing acidity in digestion. Only experimenting can tell its effect on you.